July 1957. An ordinary day in the state of Kerala, India. People walk down the streets doing their business and it begins to rain. Suddenly, people start to shout and run away in fear. Everything turns into a kind of horror movie because the raindrops that fall from the sky are bright red. And this is not a horror movie. It's all happening for real. Imagine the familiar view outside your window. What if you saw it gradually turn red? The clothes of people caught in the rain would change to pink. At first, scientists believed the rainwater was painted red by a meteorite burst. But the next study came up with a different theory.
There are also biological causes of blood rain. 2 examples of biologically derived blood rain occurred in recent years. One article provides an overview of an incident that happened in 2001. It describes how the state of Kerala in India had a series of recurring blood rainstorms. For 2 full months through the end of summer, every time it rained, the land was drenched crimson. Godfrey Lewis and Santosh Kumar made the surprising discovery that the particles were actually living cells. What added to the mystery was that Lewis and Kumar could not find nuclei or other genetic material in the cells. Scientific examination of a red rainwater sample by Kerala's Center of Earth Science Studies revealed that the particles appeared to be spores. Government botanists reproduced the spores and discovered upon re-examination that they were those of an unremarkable and extremely common local algae called Trentepohlia, which is heavy with red-orange carotenoid pigments. The specific type of Trentepohlia is Trentepohlia annulata. Trentepohlia spores are described as stratospheric spores. This means that they are typically found in the atmosphere. Instead of dust, an unusually large bloom of spores mixed with storm clouds in the area, and blood rain was the result. The article pointed out that the main flaw in Lewis and Kumar's research technique is that they tried dyeing the spores without growing them, with the end result being that the cell membranes remained intact and they saw no genetic material. If they had cultured the cells the way the botanists did, they could have broken the cell walls, which would have made the cells easier to dye and the genetic material easier to see. In 2014, a similar but less exciting blood rain incident happened in Zamora, Spain. When blood rain fell there, a resident took samples of the red rainwater and gave them to scientists at the University of Salamanca. University researchers examined the samples and found that, as in Kerala, the cause of the blood rain was algae. However, it was a different type of algae called Haematocus pluvialis. In the cases of blood rain in Kerala and Zamora, neither type of algae is harmful to humans. In a discussion of Trentepohlia spores in a 2015 news article, Dr. Felix Bast of the Central University of Punjab said that this microalgae is absolutely harmless. He also states that blood rainwater is perfectly potable even for vegetarians. As for the algae responsible for the blood rain in Spain, it is safe enough to eat. A Daily Mail article notes that Haematocus pluvialis is used in the pharmaceutical industry for its antioxidant properties and in food production to give salmon and trout a deeper red color.
Hope you liked our video. Share this information with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.